Welcome back to our beginner crochet series. So far, you've mastered the slip knot and the foundational chain stitch. Great job! Today, we're adding another essential stitch to your toolkit, the slip stitch. The slip stitch is unique. Unlike other stitches that add height to your work, the slip stitch is primarily used for joining rounds, moving your yarn across a row without adding bulk, or for creating very subtle details. It's super versatile. For our demonstration today, make a chain of about 10. Insert your hook into the center of the second chain from the hook. Your next step is to yarn over. Bring your hook under the working yarn and catch it and pull it through both loops on the hook in one smooth motion. And that's a slip stitch. See how small it is? It essentially lays flat against your work. Try another. Insert your hook into the next chain. Yarn over and pull the working yarn through both loops on the hook. Continue to practice until you feel comfortable. Don't pull too tight. It's very easy to make slip stitches too tight, which can make your work pucker or make it incredibly difficult to work into them later. Try to relax your tension. The biggest challenge with slip stitches can be keeping them loose enough. Try to keep your tension loose. Slip stitches might seem a bit tricky at first because they don't add height like other stitches, but they are incredibly useful. Practice making them into your chains or even into rows of single crochet once you learn that stitch. The more you practice, the more intuitive it will become. You now know the 3 fundamental actions of crochet: the slip knot, the chain, and the slip stitch. In our very next video, we're finally going to learn our first height-adding stitch, the single crochet. So, definitely subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. Before we begin, make a practice chain.